Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Dr. Battisi, and I'm your dentist Dr. Jasmine. Guys, I'm really sorry. The episode 3, which is now you're watching, of how to open your dental practice, this video took a really long time because the topic registration of your clinic is something which, being a dentist, we are never taught, and we don't even know that it is required. So I had to go through a lot. I had to actually do the whole process for a clinic in which I am working currently. So I know exactly the process, and it took a long time for the right research. So then now this video is happening. In the last video, episode 2, we talked about the timings, the pamphlet, the consent letter, and there is episode 1 as well. The links all down below. So let's start with the most important topic on how to get your clinic registered. Once you are confirmed with the name of the clinic and the location of your clinic, then you should immediately proceed with the registration process, and if not, wait for 3 months but get it done within 1 year. There is nothing mandatory, but it looks more professional and it will help you in immense ways. For example, if you need to contact an NGO, if you want your clinic to be registered on some particular site or with somebody or with some company, or you meet and visit people to join your clinic, or you invite companies, big companies, for dental camps, for medical camps. So you have to make sure your clinic is registered. It looks professional and it is neat. Of course, we are not doing something wrong. We are verified, certified dentists. So why not go ahead with the registration process? Sometimes what happens is we are not sure with the name of the clinic. Suppose initially it's a dental clinic, but then we thought it might be a skin as well as hair clinic too, or a cosmetic clinic. Or we might want to get the pathology lab or other famous labs, or we might want to get a physician. Then we have to change our name of the clinic. Maybe it's something ABC Dental Clinic and Hair Center, or Skin Center, or Skin Clinic, Dental and Skin Clinic. So we are not sure of the name. Second, the location of the clinic. If we have one branch in Delhi, another we have in Chennai, or we have one branch in Delhi, another is like 5 kilometers away, then also we have to get the clinic registration of that clinic which is 5 kilometers away also. So name of the clinic and location of the clinic, the registration is of that particular clinic. And guys, it is not it was like, really, I had to go through a lot research and everything on how this is getting done. I think it took me 5-6 months, but after this video it's hardly going to take you very less time and the right amount. The clinic I'm talking about is in UP, Uttar Pradesh, but same goes for all the states as well. You just have to find the right website for it, and it's very easy to do so. First thing that you must have is BMW certification, which is required. That is biomedical waste. It can be of 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. But when you're getting yourself registered, it should be included in the time period. For example, if you're getting for 3 months and your registration is completed after 6 months, so that doesn't make any sense. For us, whatever company we got through was for 1 year. They took 10,800 for 1 year, and 1,000 was one-time registration fee. They will give you a bill. They will give you the number of days of collection that guy will be doing. Ours is twice a week. And the number of kg, ours is 5 kg, and they would give you a scan QR code. They would scan every time they visit, and they will send you an email like how much was it. You have to buy a red dustbin, a yellow dustbin. They will provide you yellow and red bags. And for the white, you can go ahead with this, the normal food in which your food comes. It has needles. So you can use this. It's very or you can buy in bulk if you want to go ahead with that, but those are still very expensive. It's, you can find it every day at home also. They will give you a certification also. You can put it up at the reception of your clinic or wherever you want to. But I'm not going to share that because I'm not promoting any brand or any company here. So go through anything which is simple, which is certified, good reviews, and yeah, a reasonably which company makes the process a little simple and not cumbersome and are not expensive. Our dustbin is 15 liters. You can buy at least 15 or 10, at least 10 or 15 you should definitely go ahead with if you're a new setup. And you will also get posters from the BMW company you apply to, like the one you can see at the behind the stop where it is written. It is like just what materials to be put in: red, yellow, white, blue, etc. Number 2 is, guys, the fire certification you will be needing. For us, this is this, because this certification you will be getting through your, if your clinic is in any like commercial area, then the commercial building will give you the certification. If your clinic is in any area, just contact the owner of that area. If not, you have to put 1 or 2 kg of like fire extinguishers, but our building has it, so corridors and stairs has it, so it's certified. The number 3, you are going to fill up a form for pollution. While you fill the pollution form, you would be requiring fire and BMW certifications. So if that is done, while we apply for pollution, you have to visit the site niveshmitra.up.nic.in. Sometimes people say that okay, we will get the registration for you and the cost would be 8,000. We got the registration, the pollution is for 1,000 rupees for 2 years. And it's for like the online you have to fill. So do not go ahead with that, people, until and unless you can spend the money you can spend is nothing for you. So if you can afford that, definitely go ahead with it. So pollution, then you get a certificate. This certificate is given after the inspection is done by we got 2 people from the pollution board UP. So after that is done, and the BMW fire and pollution, all the steps, if your state is not Uttar Pradesh, ask the BMW biomedical waste company guy or the people who are in field of that company, or ask that company. They will guide you for surely. They know the process of your area. And then you will need an address proof. For us, either it can be a rent agreement or electricity bill if it's on rent. Then we will be needing a structural layout of the building. Either contact your architect or the building owner or house owner or society, apartment, whatever area it is in, contact that. That's it. Now we are ready to go for registration, except one more thing is needed. You have to get the affidavit of the doctors. If it's in partnership, both the partnership of the doctors, and if it's solo, then the affidavit of that doctor. The layout, the format, exactly how it is going to be done by the lawyer is given on the website of the registration for UP. It's uphealth.in/online/account/registration. Links all given in the bio down. And for example, this is going to how it would be, something like that, and you have to sign it, or this will be by the lawyer and you have to sign it somewhere here. So these will be 2 formats that would be required for one doctor. And except that, you are ready to go for the registration. Note, please, all your images should be either, while you upload, should be either in the PDF form or JPG form, not more than size 2 MB. Either it should be 2 MB or less. Documents, make a folder of your clinic, like the documents, in the computer, so that it's easy to upload. You can say that it's BMW form, it's pollution form, fire form, certification, or pollution certification. And click pictures, take out printouts of all the forms. And while uploading, please check the internet connection is good, and it can sometimes be cumbersome that it is not getting uploaded. Please keep trying. Sometimes it does happen, especially during the registration. And next, click pictures once the form is submitted. Then, like, it happens that your form is this, it is submitted. Either you will be getting a mail as well, but definitely click a picture. So our registration is this, the form is submitted. The next video will be made on what happens once you submit the form. This video is still how to submit the registration form. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode of the series, of the very first series I started on how to open your dental practice. Take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling healthy.